What's up guys, and let me take you to Gikomba Market. If you have zero idea how to get to the market while walking, this video will take you right into the heart of Gikomba Market, which is located Nairobi Downtown. So my journey began at the railway bus station. I'm walking down the Haile Selassie Avenue, making my way to Nairobi Downtown. Right here, I'm passing the Ongatarongai bus stop right next to Easy Coach Booking Office, Nairobi. So this is also like a short video of like a short tour of Nairobi Downtown. If you're not familiar with this part of the city, this is a nice way to look into what you can expect and what goes on that side of the town. So just walk with me and let's go to Gikomba. Along the way, I'll make note of some buildings you should take note of, some markets you should mark. That is if you're completely clueless about Nairobi Downtown. Outside this building here, you'll find so many vendors selling fresh farm products and fruits, and they sell them at very affordable prices. You can't compare the prices here to what you pay at your local markets. So if you're looking for value for money, or if you're looking to save money, grocery shopping, buy some items that will last you for a month, please make your way here. And the best time to come here is morning hours up to 1 p.m. After that, you won't find the freshest products. So guys, make your way here and get the best value for your money. Also at this point here where this car is coming from is another entry to the Wakulima Market. Soko gani? Hapana. Wewe ni?
Mimi ni bua.
Oh, hapana. Oh, ukinunua unatubebea?
Napelekea skate.
Hatuhitaji vitu mingi.
Ndio nawabebea kama
uko ndani. Tutakuja tuende huku chini kwanza. The Wakulima Market joins to Madura Market. The market you can see right here ahead, surrounded by a white wall with some railing above it. That is Madura Market. In case you didn't know, this food market opens at 5 a.m. And actually, I think the operations begin earlier than that. So if you're looking to buy groceries to go and resell, you can come here as early as that time and you'll find the farmers and get better prices. Once you're done walking the Madura wall, you'll come to this roundabout here, and then we need to cross over to that other side where traffic is heading out of Nairobi. That road there is the road that will lead you to Gikomba and Kamukunji Market. If you're coming from another part of the CBD, you'll make your way down to OTC, come to this roundabout and connect to the road heading to Gikomba, which is right there where you can see the buses heading down. Where are you? Okay. Hi. On my right here is a market that sells ripe bananas. I'm not sure if they do sell in small quantities, but if you're looking to resell in large quantities, you can get ripe bananas here. Down ahead there, you can see the buildings that's Kamukunji. Okay. This right here is the entrance to Kamukunji Market. You'll find lots of household items here, school items, shoes, you name it. So many things, blankets, utensils, everything. Once you get to this area here, where you can see the electricity posts and some sellers there with umbrellas, you basically entered Gikomba area now. There's a river there, but you can see it. That's the river separating Gikomba and Kambukuji. But this is not the Gikomba we want to go to. So keep walking up and you'll soon be at the center of Gikomba, the heartbeat. The heartbeat of Gikomba, where we want to go. Around here you can find kids' clothes, some utensils, trousers. The vendors here basically they've bought the clothes in bales and they are reselling along the way. But this is not where we want to go. So keep walking, don't get tired. There are some buses leaving country bus, heading to various destinations around Kenya. Just keep walking, watch out for the cars. Keep heading up the road. And soon you will be there. That matatu there is one of the matatus that can take you to Gikomba. Those matatus are boarded at Archives. Opposite Archives, there is Ludhuri Avenue. You'll find those matatus there that will take you to Gikomba in case you don't want to walk.
Batu mwingi. Pika ndio hii. Safi basi. Kulipa kitanda ya hospitali. Rekodi.
This is all Gikomba, but not the heart of Gikomba. Here you'll find more vendors selling different items such as wigs, clothes, but you'll notice that the sellers here, they have small items. They've selected from the main vendors inside Gikomba and come to resell here. Around this section here, you'll find, this is where you can find scarves. If you love scarves, you'll find them around here. You'll also find dresses and kids' clothes. Here I know the vendors selling here, they normally open the bills in bulk, so you can find, actually the scarves go for 30 shillings to 60 shillings, depending if they've opened right now or maybe yesterday. So now we are making our way to the heart of Gikomba, and you can successfully say you've made your way to Gikomba. From here you can't get lost. At that billboard over there, you'll make a right turn and get into the main market area.
Tunakuletea kwa shilingi 100. Hakuna mahali pengine tupata vile tunauza. Chakula kingine wanauza kwa shilingi 300. Na shilingi kurema beba na shilingi 200. Shilingi 200 peke yake. Ngara baba. Ngara kurema.
Kodina saidire kwa kwanza, ina.
Kaweka kulima.
Todi saidire na roho ni jo. Marati goko. Ade marati. Rompa na mia. Oya. It's giving Gikomba.
One, two, with the first one.